Based on clinical evidence and my experience working with seniors, I've identified 7 foods that provide the essential nutrients needed to strengthen aging leg muscles. These aren't miracle foods, but science-backed options that support muscle health when consumed regularly. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and protein for muscle building. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3 enhance the effects of strength training in older adults. I recommend 3-4 ounces twice weekly. My mother started having salmon for dinner every Wednesday, and within months, noticed less stiffness when rising from her chair. 2. Eggs, complete protein containing all essential amino acids, especially leucine, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. The yolks also provide vitamin D, crucial for muscle function and bone health. One study published in Nutrients showed that egg consumption, combined with resistance training, improved muscle mass in older adults. 2 eggs daily provides enough protein to support leg muscle maintenance. I start most mornings with scrambled eggs, knowing I'm feeding my muscles from the first meal. 3. Greek yogurt, rich in high-quality protein and calcium, both essential for muscle health and bone strength. Research in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition demonstrates that the probiotics in yogurt also reduce inflammation that can contribute to muscle loss. 1 cup daily provides lasting benefits. My neighbor June swears by her afternoon yogurt with berries at 78. She still gardens daily without knee pain. 4. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other dark greens contain nitrates that improve muscle function by enhancing blood flow. The Journal of Physiology published findings showing improved muscle function in older adults who consume nitrate-rich vegetables regularly. 1 cup daily delivers noticeable benefits. I add spinach to my morning smoothie. You barely taste it, but your muscles receive the benefits. 5. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas provide plant-based protein along with fiber and minerals that support overall health. Research from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society indicates that higher protein intake from diverse sources improves muscle preservation in aging adults. Half a cup daily helps maintain leg strength. My weekly meal prep always includes a large batch of lentil soup that serves as quick, muscle-supporting lunches. 6. Walnuts and almonds. These nuts contain protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants that combat inflammation. Studies in the Journal of Aging Research show that regular nut consumption is associated with improved walking speed and lower extremity function in older adults. A small handful daily supports leg health. I keep portion-controlled containers of mixed nuts for a perfect afternoon protein boost. 7. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain antioxidants that reduce exercise-induced inflammation and improve recovery. Research in applied physiology, nutrition, and metabolism demonstrates that berry consumption may enhance the benefits of exercise in older adults. 1 cup daily maximizes benefits. My mother's morning ritual now includes berries, with her yogurt simple changes that add up to significant improvement. These foods work best when incorporated into a consistent daily routine. I suggest starting your day with eggs and berries, enjoying a Greek yogurt snack mid-morning, having beans or lentils with lunch alongside leafy greens, and including fatty fish or another quality protein source at dinner. I've tracked progress with hundreds of seniors and typically see noticeable improvements in leg strength within 4-6 weeks of consistent consumption of these foods, especially when combined with appropriate exercise. Many report feeling steadier when walking and having an easier time rising from chairs. It's important to understand that individual results vary based on overall health, medication use, and activity levels. If you have kidney disease, speak with your... My mother's transformation wasn't overnight, but it was remarkable. After 3 months of focusing on these foods, plus gentle strength exercises, she could climb her stairs without pausing halfway. 6 months in, she rejoined her walking group. These changes gave her back her independence. To track your progress, I recommend a simple test. Time how long it takes you to stand up from a chair, walk 10 feet, return, and sit down again. Do this before changing your diet and check monthly. Most seniors see their times improve steadily when consuming these muscle-supporting foods regularly. I believe in empowering seniors with practical, evidence-based solutions for maintaining independence. These 7 foods represent one of the simplest yet most effective approaches to maintaining leg strength as we age.